Hello, I'm Design Guy, ready to master a cool circle wipe transition in Canva? Click the Create button, then choose Presentation from the available options. For this demonstration, we'll be using the presentation template to show you how the features work. Browse the templates available here, then select any template you prefer to start your project. Select the item you want. Apply the changes to all 10 pages by clicking the Apply to All button. Next, add a transition between the pages. Click on the area between two pages to open the transition options. Select your preferred transition effect to apply it, creating a smooth visual flow from one page to another. To add a circle wipe, select the effect from the Transitions menu. Adjust the duration slider to control how quickly the transition appears between your video clips. To adjust the animation speed, drag the slider to the left to make the animation slower. Drag the slider to the right to make the animation faster. You can also enter a specific value for precise control. Select the desired speed, then preview your animation changes. To add a circle wipe transition in your Canva presentation, select the slide where you want the transition. Click on the Transitions tab, then choose Circle Wipe from the available options. Use the direction controls to set the wipe direction, such as from inside to outside or vice versa. Adjust the duration slider to set how quickly the transition plays. This completes adding a circle wipe transition to your Canva presentation. Apply this setting to all pages. Every page will now have the same transition effect. You can preview the consistency by navigating through the pages to see the transition applied. Preview your design and use the arrow keys to navigate through your project. This lets you see how your final video will look. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. Select the Download option from the drop-down menu. Choose MP4 video as the file format. You can also increase the video quality by adjusting the resolution before downloading your project. Open your PowerPoint presentation and ensure all 10 slides are selected. Double-check your selection, then click the Download button to save the entire presentation, with all pages included in your chosen format. Now you know how to make a cool circle wipe transition in Canva. Try it out! If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips.